Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Allchinabuy. So first, when you got here in this website, go to the top right corner of your screen and then sign in with your account. Once you do that, click on your account name. It will take you here. And then on the left navigation bar, you will see the wallet tab. Click on it. It will show you a drop down menu and then click on account balance. And then here, you will see the withdraw button next to the top up button highlighted red. So click on withdraw. And then here, you will see all of your records. For me, there are no records yet. And then in your case, if you want to withdraw, you will see all of the transaction records of available amount. And then you can choose the available record and click on the button that says withdraw. So basically that's it.